What's going on, guys? Today I installed a winch on my Subaru Forester. If you checked my last video, you'll see the bumper removal and how to get that done. So, can you see it? It's right here. So I put a little washer on this clip so it doesn't fall out of the plate. You can swing it down, and then you got the winch here. Good. And it seems to shove up in there very nicely. So it's got a remote to it right here. Yeah, this is an ATV winch. I'm just using it to maybe get out of the ditch, or like if someone's stuck with shitty tires in the winter, I'll help them out. But I didn't build it that strong, just do light duty stuff. So we got extend and contract. So yeah, that works great. And then I've also made it so that you can get to the release from through here. There we go. And then we got free spooling. Oh, just gotta get that. Cool. Well, that's that. Here, let's I'll do a little lift here. We got my skateboard. Okay. And then we'll just take this winch wire, go around. Awesome. Now, since it's so heavy, I need the help of this winch. There you go. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button, like, all that crap. Now, have a good day. See you later.